What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Just want to break down some of the big tech stocks that we saw today. Quite the day. Started up again, all-time highs. Now, this morning, booming, rocking. We opened up. It seems like if you were in the tech world, you were up quite a bit. I know I had an amazing day, right? So as soon as we opened up, I started moving my stops up just like I normally do. And then we actually just boom. As soon as we sold off, we as soon as we broke this trend, I actually went short and then bought the dip. So rocking day. We did kind of a lot, nothing at the same time. In fact, let's check out the daily candle. Just some up, just some down. It ultimately ended up. I don't know if I'd call that red right now. Kind of making a another little bull flag. We are bearish if this actually breaks and closes, but until we do just that, I'm pretty bullish. We got tech earnings this week. Now, I will say, I think if you're playing earnings, this is probably most of the run. So, enjoy the ride while it lasts. If your ticker's up on the docket for some earnings, maybe trim a little off, cut a little back. Your position size, your allocations should reflect the fact that there's about to be a binary event. Maybe some exciting, maybe not so exciting. Again, they probably need to come out and just hit it with hit the ground running. Some groundbreaking news that you didn't expect. For instance, like with Tesla, we already know everything. They're going to deliver. Their guidance is going to be like, hopefully we deliver 1 million cars. We already got the delivery numbers, so he needs to come out and say something completely different for it to just completely boom. Now it's Tesla, so it could, but the interesting thing with the whole EV market today in general, if you saw Biden speaking live, he came out and said, it's America all the way. You're going to buy from America. The whole federal fleet of cars are going to be EV from America. He cut out a lot of loopholes for you're supposed to buy from America, but if you come out and say, well, we can't find the part, we're going to go overseas, here's the form for that. He cut a lot of that out and said, none of that anymore. You are buying from America. If you can't, you're going to come directly to the White House, and we're going to help you find someone in America that can. If we cannot, then yes, we'll allow you to outsource that. So I thought that was a pretty rocking speech. I am definitely pro-America. Now, when he said that the EV market did react to it, they did prop up. We'll see. Probably just a little bit hype. Again, we still need to see some follow through with that. That was an executive order. I mean, follow through with we've got to start buying American now. Everything about what Biden said was just Tesla all the way. Clean energy, EVs, battery tech, mentioned all of it. Just spelled Tesla. So as far as earnings goes, I'm hoping to play the run up, and this might even be the first time I play an Iron Condor, because I bet it's probably not as exciting as people are thinking. The next big one, Facebook. We opened up. Did we open up green? We didn't. I was up in this position. Either way. Oh, wow, I was so up on this one. My contracts were up. I thought we were even doing better. I wasn't paying attention. We are. Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, stops in the green, stopped out. I am back in this one. Did buy the dip. So rocking and rolling. Looking to get bullish above that right there. Earnings is the 27th, so we got Thursday on that one as well. Again, looking to just ride that pre-earnings hype up. If there's one that's going to do good, I think probably Facebook might surprise. Was another one. Apple just can't be beat. Now this one, probably out of all of them, was my worst performer. The one I traded worst today. Pumped up, yep. Stops in the green. This did tag out, and I bought. What was it? Right. It was somewhere in this mix right here. I'm not usually on this time. I was actually on the hourly. I did not grab the dip like I normally do. It dropped right down. Push back up. I could have done so much better on this had I just played that zone, but I missed it. So I'm definitely still bullish on that. Earnings is right around the corner. I do want to see some excitement out of this. We got earnings. All their new laptops are all with their new chips in there. So I kind of wonder how that is and how they think going forward. Again, guidance is going to be the main key on that. I don't normally play earnings, and if I do, it's not something I usually talk about because no two ways about it. I think it's a gamble. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's a binary event. Full stop. Your position size needs to reflect it. If you want to take advantage of that and be part of the trade, so be it. But, you know, there shouldn't be any excitement. Don't whole account YOLO some stupid stuff. We know how that turns out. You might be lucky the first time. Second time you're going to blow your account. You might just get lucky and blow your account the first time. So Apple, Amazon. We talking about Amazon, right? No, we didn't break down Amazon. What a beast day. Anyway, I'm in calls. They're up. Lock that in. Well, trail it, right? So that locks in. Grabbed a put on the way down. Rocking and rolling. Bought the dip. Pushed up. I mean, I was all over this thing. Like, what do they say? Flies on something white on rice? Was that something I could say? I was all over this thing today. Did give some back right here because I wasn't kind of sure. Like, we're confirming the bottom of this zone, so I'm shorting it. Then I'm going long. It was the only part today. I ended up giving back a little bit right in this area. And after what I made off of this move right here, yeah, a PDT account. Ended up giving a little bit back right here in that move. It was so stupid. I even knew I should just hang out, let it pick a direction real quick. Didn't. I am still bullish. Now, earnings is going to be the following week, so I do just kind of want to see how this plays out with tech in general. I'm bullish above here. Not really bearish this. Intraday, I will short this down to here. I will buy the dip right here, but going to kind of take it easy. Still bullish on this one. So Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Google. We'll rock and roll. Google, I had my alerts going off like mad today on this one. You can definitely see we based out right here. So I wish I would have paid a little closer attention. I like that right there. Gonna be bullish Google as long as we don't break below 1866. So I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Just wanted to break down the FANG stocks. Something I want to talk about in a future video, guys. I know GameStop right now is a huge thing everyone's talking about. I think the markets might be going through a little bit of a phase, a little bit of change. Something I want to bring to everyone's attention. I don't know. So let me know. Are you guys hopping on board the short squeeze? I know it's the new fad, the whole short squeeze thing. But how do you guys feel about that news? Are you staying in tech to stay away from that, or are you jumping on the pile and just on board? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, the bell, all the works. I appreciate the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tesla Tuesday. Let's see how it goes.